Hey guys, today I'll show you how to generate a profit and loss report in Zoho Books. This report helps you see how much your business has earned, how much you've spent, and whether you're making a profit. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Zoho Books account. From the left-hand menu, click Reports. Next, scroll down or use the search bar to find Profit and Loss. Click on it to open the report. At the top of the page, select the date range you want to review, such as this month, last month, or choose a custom range. After selecting the date range, click Run Report or Apply if needed. Zoho Books will display your total income, total expenses, and your net profit or loss for the selected period. If you'd like to keep a copy, click Export to download the report as a PDF or Excel file. You can also print it directly if needed. And that's how you generate a profit and loss report in Zoho Books. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tutorials.